Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will be explaining how to show seconds in taskbar clock. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, click on the search bar and search for registry editor. And now right click on it and run it as administrator. Now you should follow the exact path as you see in the screen. Now look for a value named show seconds in system clock. If it's not there, then let's create it. For that, right click on an empty space and click on new and select the option divide 32-bit value. Here type the name show seconds in system clock and you should name it exactly as you see in the screen. I will definitely put this in description box so that you can just copy and paste. Now right click on the value and click on modify. Here you should change the value from 0 to 1 and click on OK. Now right click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager. Now look for Windows Explorer. Right click on it and restart it. Yes, you should be able to see that now the seconds are shown in the taskbar clock. If you find this video informative, leave a thumbs up and let me know by commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.